Hi! Hello sa mga kalalabs ko dyan! Hello! Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you to subscribe my channel. So, and now if you're new here, to watching my videos, to watch my channel, so don't forget, guys, to follow my channel, to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button bell so that you can notify uh, every every time that I have uh, upload and live streamer. So we need to click all the notification bell so that you can uh, receive a notification from my uh, channel. So and now, guys, what is our uh, for for my vlog? So for today's vlog, we have our unboxing groceries haul. So I will show you guys how much. So yeah, how much budget for my grocery. So I will show you guys. See, yeah, and yeah. So and now first is egg. So this is all is what is 6 eggs. 6 eggs is 57. 6 eggs. 6 eggs. 57. So and the next is we have bread. So pandesal. Yeah. And how much is 54? $1. $1. This one is more than $1. And then next is yeah, to use for shower. Sabon, $1 only. 3 pieces, $1 only. Soft. And next, shampoo. Uh, there is a promo, guys. So how much? $2, almost $3. Almost $3. So and the next, guys, is for my coffee biscuit. Yeah. How much this one is? Wait. Almost $2. $2. Almost $2. So and guys, I found it. Mixed nuts. Yeah. That's my favorite anyway. So this is how much the price. This one is $2. $2. And also for my coffee, patatas for my coffee, guys. Yeah. And how much is $1? $1. And Pikachu. Yeah, Pikachu. This is $2. $2. And the next is for toilet tissue. Uh only cents dollars only. Like I think 50 cents. 50 cents. Yeah. And yeah. So And the next is the milk, guys. So we have the milk because uh, we have I have planned to make buko salad. Buko salad like coconut coconut fruits to make a buko salad, just like that. So yeah, this is all is $3. $3. And now, but not the least, Argentina corned beef is $2. $2. Hinahinay mong consist, $2. Yeah. So, and then guys, that's all. So yeah. So all is my groceries haul. The amount all is how much is 700 pesos. 700 pesos is around $4. Uh, Almost $20, just like $15. $15. So that's my grocery haul. Yeah, that's my grocery haul. So yun lang guys. So thank you for watching, and if you're new here, please do like and comment, and uh if you love my channel guys, if you support my channel, I greatly appreciate it. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Expired. Expiration. 54, how much is it? The this one.
Exam. Gana online. Ini sana online. Dumagat sila ni Ravino, no? Kuhan na. Basahin na. Si Edward. Pwede si Edward. Hi, sa Hi, sa Pinisa, nagkakampa ka. Akondisyon pa pinisa.
Ayan guys, hinahanap-hanap ko to. So, nakita ko to. Salted. Ay! Nakita ko siya guys. Yeah, and then mix.